Hello! Today I'm just doing a quick hashtag handmade homemade Christmas activity. This is very simple and it needs to rest for a while, so I'm going to make it today. I have guests coming today, so it's nice to get this out of the way before they arrive as well. So I've got pine cones. The short squatty ones are pine cones. And I've got some spruce cones. The long, slender ones are spruce cones. I've just collected these around us naturally. We have white pine and spruce on the property. I've got, 15 or 20 in there. I have some needles too. That's okay. They don't matter. It doesn't matter if you have them or don't have them. I am a fan of Simply Earth, which is an essential oil company that does a recipe box shipment, a subscription box that they send to you with recipes and cards in it and everything. And I'm going to add in some essential oils so that they can soak into this batch, and then later I can lay them out as a potpourri. I'm starting with Clean and Fresh. It has fir needle, lemon, grapefruit, and neroli essential oils. And I'm gonna be generous. I'm just going to drop, 5 or 6 drops of this. That was probably 10 drops of that. Then I'm gonna stir them up so I don't put drops on top of drops. And I have their winter spice blend, which is tangerine, fir needle, and balsam. These are all very evergreen fragrances, oils. These are not fragrance oils. These are essential oils. These are, the real deal. This one is pine. I've got pine cones. I might as well use pine. Stir that up a little more so the oil, anything that's liquid, can still splash on the others. And this is a brand new bottle. So I'm going to put in a bunch of drops of pine. And I love this, so we'll get lots of it. That's it. I'm going to tie that up. And I'm going to set it aside for a week or so. If it needs more fragrance in a week, I'll put more on it. And if not, I'll just leave it tied until I start to decorate my house, and that won't be until the 1st of December. Pine cone potpourri, winter scenting or Christmas fragrancing. I'll have links in the bottom. I'll have links in the description below, and be sure to stop by and visit Lynn at Bucket List Homestead and Annette at Our Urban Homestead, and that has a brackets of Annette at the end of it, for the hashtag handmade homemade Christmas. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I'll see you next time.